Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. In today's video, we will talk about game mode recharge and nickname verification plugin. So first we talk about nickname verification plugin. It will help you to integrate nickname verification system to your website easily. First we check the nickname verification is available or not. So we just enter any product and add it to cart. Let's see this work or not. Okay, we can notice that the nickname verification system is not available. It's quickly added to cart. So we are going to set up the nickname verification system. So first go to dashboard. After go to dashboard, then go to the plugin section and add plugin. After add plugin, just wait a second, it will take little bit. Okay, after click add plugin, you will see the upload plugin option. Just click here and upload your desired plugin, whose name is nickname verification by Exit. Just upload it and click the install button. After click the install button, it will load a few seconds, and after that you will see the active plugin option. But here in my site there show replace. I already uploaded the plugin, so I just replace with this version. After replace that, I found the option of active plugin. Just active the plugin. It will take 5 to 6 seconds to active the plugin properly. After the plugin is active successfully, then go to the 3-dot section and find out settings. After settings, you will see a new option, IGN by AXE. Just click here. Here you found two options, one license key and next one API key. License key is a unique which is used for authorization, and API key is a link or URL where the API server is hosted. Okay, you will get it from me. After enter the license key and after enter the API key, just click the save changes. After click the save changes, it will show settings saved. That means the all our setup is finished. Now visit the site, and after visit the site, we just open any product, and after the opening any product, we just enter any user ID and just click here select name and buy. After clicked here, it shows process and they're showing the user ID is invalid. So now we try with a valid user ID. So after entered valid user ID, just clicking the select name and buy. After click here, it show our in-game name and user ID. That means the system is working properly without any error. It's really validated. So now just go click the buy now button. After click the buy now button, it will go into checkout phase. That means the nickname verification system is working properly. Now go with another product, and we can see Mobile Legend also have the system like select name and buy. Here showing the user ID is not correct. It's working. Okay, now try with like PUBG, and yes, PUBG also working. You can see the processing is finished and user ID is invalid showing. However, the nickname verification system is working well. If you want to go with a resale license nickname verification system, then you can contact me. Here, like I just entered the user ID and validate. You can see it's a resale panel from where you can control your client or others who used your nickname verification system. Like I just use this user ID to validate, and all of the log is here. For auto recharge, Topup you can use some eBay provider like Smile1, Moveboard, Shopee, anything.com and etc. other providers. Now talk about how does it work and how much time it takes to complete a purchase, what the price range, any other benefits. Yes, it will work with API calls, almost instant delivery provide the API provider, and price in same as main provider price tag, but you will get a discount on your total sale completing some milestone like 100 USDT to 100 your level will up with your purchase.